Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, our today topic is quite interesting and that is how to insert ChatGPT option in Microsoft Excel. So friends, for this go to the insert tab and then press my add-ins. So let's see, that is we are pressing insert, my add-ins, and then see all. So at the left corner you add find more, so search here ChatGPT search. So in the third add ChatGPT Excel, continue. You will see here at the very right corner of the Excel the option of ChatGPT is here. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए और लाइक, कमेंट्स और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। थैंक यू।